Hello and welcome to the world of harmonic trading. I am Pratim, stock market trader, trainer, and astrologer for more than 10 years. In this video, I will be sharing the course details for this harmonic trading. First of all, you need to be happy because no prior knowledge is required to attend this course. Even if you don't know how to open the chart, you don't need to worry. We will be teaching it from scratch. And on completion of this course you will be easily able to draw the harmonic patterns. Right from basic to advanced harmonic patterns you will be able to draw. Another thing to be happy is this course is available in Hindi and English. Okay, now if you have any doubts while going through the course, you just need to WhatsApp or email or send me the query on Telegram. Okay, so that your problem is solved. Apart from all this, you will be added. Once you enroll, you will be added. You will have the access to our elite assignment groups and discussion groups on WhatsApp, where also you will be learning very, very good things. Also, you will be getting so many trades. We have also made this course very, very cost effective and value for money. Let's see what topics will be covered in this harmonic trading course. First of all, we will be providing introduction to harmonics, right from the basic. What is harmonics? What does it do? Everything. Unique features of harmonic trading. There are some unique features that are not available or very, very rarely available in another system. You will know about them. The tools that we will be using for harmonic analysis, the charts, the PDFs, the Excel sheet, everything will be given to you. Basis of harmonic patterns. Why does harmonic pattern is so accurate? Why stock reverses from the harmonic levels? What is the base? You will get to know the secret. The types of harmonic patterns. How many types of harmonic patterns are there? The classification, further classification of harmonic patterns. Identification of patterns, very, very important. How do you identify whether this is a probable harmonic pattern or confirmed harmonic pattern? You will master this art. Harmonic chart preparation. This is why you are taking the course. You will learn how to draw the harmonic patterns on the chart. Potential reversal zone. Guys, I would like to tell you this zone of market is very, very powerful. This is the zone you will be able to identify yourself from where the stock reverses. The targets and stop losses in harmonic trading. What is invalid pattern? What is pattern failure? What is trade acquisition? Guys, if you know how to draw the harmonic pattern, that is just 50%. Remaining 50% is practically taking a trade. That is an art. So we will be covering this topic in depth. Okay. How to trade options, futures, and equity with harmonics. Even if you are an options trader, how can you trade when you get a pattern? We will be covering that. How to trade futures and equity, yes, that also will be covered in depth. What should be symmetry of pattern? What is the validity of pattern? What discipline should be followed in harmonics? Are there any other indicators that need to be used with harmonics? If yes, we will discuss about them as well. So this is the basically syllabus of course. Okay, vast syllabus. Each and every topic covered in depth. I will give you a brief introduction of harmonic trading. Harmonic patterns, how do they form? They capture previous highs and lows, swing highs and swing lows. They form some geometric patterns, and they provide us the precise reversal levels. But not only precise reversal levels, they also provide us approximately at what time, on what day the stock is going to reverse. So that is incredible. Just imagine if you know the date and time of a stock of reversal, along with the price, of course. This was invented by Mr. H.M. Gartley in 1942. Gartley invented two patterns, ABCD and Gartley pattern. Okay. Later came Scott M. Carney. Mr. Scott reinvented these two patterns, and he invented bat, shark, butterfly, cipher, and whatnot. We will discuss all about them. The unique features, yes, of course, we will discuss about them once you enroll the course. So, guys, this was it, just a preview of the course. Thank you for watching. Happy trading, folks.